What is up, everybody? As you guys can probably tell, well, we are actually getting snow right now, as you guys can probably tell. I hope you guys are enjoying your day. Let's go ahead and take it on. Yeah, it's snowing, everybody. Unfortunately, I have to work in this. Before the day's out, this is going to turn into rain and sleet. So yeah, we're looking at a rough go of it. As you can see, it's still snowing, guys, but this camera is now officially mine. I just paid it off. So guys, as you can probably tell, it's still raining out here. I still see white spots on the hill over there. Don't know if you guys do. Yeah, you can still see it, all right. You see it? Yeah. Okay. Whew. I gotta do this. Fudge. God, it is bad. Had to make sure no one was outside. Yeah. It is still pouring down, right? It's still raining pretty good right now. There's still remnants of snow and sleet on the ground. And from the looks of things, this is going to be going on for days. Days, everyone. So there's going to be a lot that I might not be able to do. That I'm not looking forward to, but yeah. Wow. The entire field is pretty much flooded. So there's not much I can do there. And for those of you who are wondering, I am wearing my work hat. It's the only way I have of getting around anywhere. I'm definitely gonna have to put off the earbuds just a little bit longer. Get this money into the bank tomorrow. And basically just get all my accounts back up. Plus get my direct deposit information so that after my next paycheck comes, I can go into work with the direct deposit information. Sorry guys, I'm cold. And yeah, at that point, everything will be going directly into my bank account from then on. Yeah. There's water over in the field, guys. It's flooded. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And go ahead and check out links to my other channel in the bio. Go ahead and check out my referral links. And go ahead and check out my social media and follow me. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed your day, and I'll see you next video. Peace.